Good morning, students. Today's topic is the formal and real powers of a president in India. So, আমি এই চেপ্টাৰটোত ইণ্ডিয়ান প্ৰেচিডেণ্টৰ পাৱাৰ্ছ আৰু ফাংচনছবিলাক আমি আজি ডিছকাছ কৰিম। So, say that India's president, you all of know that in our last video, I told you that India's president is the head of the state and a chief executive of the country, and he is a constitutional head of our Indian parliamentary system. That is a very important to our chapter or us. And Article 53 of Indian Constitution says all executive powers are vested in the president, but although the executive powers are vested in the president, and India does not have a presidential government. So it is very important. All executive powers enjoyed by our nominal head president, but India have not a presidential system of government. It is very important, see. And because India follow the parliamentary system of government, and in Indian parliamentary system of government, the president of India played as nominal head for Indian parliamentary system, and the Council of Ministers headed by our Prime Minister is the real head of our Indian parliamentary system. So that is a very unique to us. This is a very unique stability for Indian parliamentary system. So in Indian Constitution, according to 74, Article 74 says the President will functions with the aid and advice of a Council of Ministers headed by our Prime Minister. I have already discussed it in your last video. And according to 42nd amendment, the president is bound to follow the advice of Council of Ministers, because the Council of Ministers is our real head. And however, according to amendment 44, the president can ask the Council of Ministers to reconsider their decisions. If the council does not change decision the second time, then the president has to accept it. So if in such kind of decisions, if the Council of Ministers make a decision in some projects, the president must be recognize that system, that that system what passed by the Council of Ministers in the meetings of Council of Ministers. So আমি জানো যে ৰিয়েল হেড হৈছে আমাৰ Council of Ministers, আৰু তেওঁলোকে যি বস্তুটো পাছ কৰিব, যি ৰুলছ ৰেগুলেশ্যন, that it is very bound that the president can recognize over the process. So মানে এইটো বস্তু হৈছে তেওঁ মানে কৰিবলৈ বাধ্য, আৰু যদি মানে এবাৰ নকৰি সেকেন্ড টাইমৰ কাৰণে ঘূৰাই পঠায় আকৌ পাৰ্লিয়ামেণ্টত, তো সেকেন্ড টাইম যদি যায়, so এইটো তেওঁ কৰিবলৈ বাধ্য. So in this topic I will explain the powers of Indian president. So what are the powers of Indian president? First power is he is the executive. He used the executive powers and functions. And in executive powers and functions, the Indian president enjoyed as chief executive of the Indian parliamentary system. And in the Constitution of India has bestowed the executive powers of president. Article 53 says the president enjoys all the executive powers as a nominal head of Indian parliamentary system. So what executive power he have used or he have enjoyed. First power is a formation of Council of Ministers. Indian President played a very important role in the formation of Council of Ministers. First one. Second, appointments. So what appointments he has done. So first one, in the case of governor, he appoints the governors of all of our states, all states of all over India. The lieutenant governors of the union territories. Governors are in our in our state, and in union territory system, union territory in place like Delhi, Andaman Nicobar, that's type of states. Their dear governor is called lieutenant government, and lieutenant governor are appointed by our Indian president for the union territories of our India. So judge of Supreme Court, judge of High Court, and the Attorney General of India, competitor of our comptroller and Auditor General India, chairperson and members of Union Public Service Commission, and a member of Finance Commission, Chief Election Commissioner, and other commissioners on the advice of Council of Ministers. He also appoints other officers of the advice of the UPSC. যে এই ক্ষেত্রে তুমি দেখা পাও যিমানখিনি ধৰা তোমাৰ high ranked position in all over India is appointed by our Indian president. In short, from the high level, not high level, it's a very responsible position also. The responsible positions and the positions holder are the appointed by our Indian president, and for this he enjoyed the appointment power, and these are the belong to his appointment power of Indian president. So removal, I have already told where there is a appointment system, and there must be a removal system, and removal system or removal power he can use, he enjoyed. And in removal system, the whatever they have appointed, and if any crime against these positions that I have already told in the appointment criteria, so this post, the man for this post, this appointment, and the man or the persons are removed by a Indian president. যেনেকৈ নিয়োগ কৰিব পাৰে, এপইণ্ট কৰিব পাৰে, তেনেকৈ সেই লোকসকলক ৰিমুভো কৰিব পাৰে। কিন্তু এই ক্ষেত্ৰত the removal system of particular post must be passed on our parliament or our two houses. Okay, so ruling and union territories, in union territory system, according Article 239 says the Indian Constitutions, the responsibility of the governing of union territories is in the hands of a president. President is directly ruled over our union territory states. Union territories bilak like tumar Delhi ma kolo no Andaman Nicobar bilak president directly rule kore. And this is Indian president executive power. And second power is a legislative power. Is list of power system is a very long, and legislative power functions ki kora rakha jay. Indian president system, not a member of parliament, but parliament, he is an integral part of it. If nohoy teo parliament direct person nohoy, kintu integral part of the parliament, because no bill becomes a law without the essence of the president. It is very important legislative rule of Indian president. All of bills of Indian president must be signed by our by our president, and যেতিয়া মানে কি কৰা হয় সাইন কৰা হয় তেতিয়া হেতু এটা law le bill and law there is a very complications difference. This difference is very complicating because bill is just passed a piece of paper that is passed in our houses. This is called bill. And law is our fully recognized bill is called a law. Etu difference to বুজি পাইছে না যে bill just pass হয়ে আহিলে এখন এখন আমাৰ bill okay আৰু যে president এটা sign কৰে it is fully implementable, so that is called our law. And no bill cannot turn to a law without the signature of our Indian president, and that is a very important legislative power of Indian president. So in second one, the president can call the sessions both houses. He can call the sessions of both houses. Both houses mean Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. Next is he nominate 12 members to Rajya Sabha. It is a very important power. তোমালোকে এইটো আগতে পাইছা কোনবাখিনিত মই কৈছোঁ the Indian president has to nominate 12 members to Rajya Sabha to have special knowledge in any social criteria, and he have if there is no representative from Anglo-Indian community, then he can nominate 2 members for the community to the Lok Sabha. And Lok Sabha, if Lok Sabha's members have not any representative from the community of Anglo-Indian, and then the Indian president nominate 2 member from the Anglo-Indian community to Lok Sabha. And Article 87 says after the general election of president convenes a joint session to vote houses to deliver his speech. It was very important. The Article 87 says after the general election of president convenes a joint session of both houses can be called by a president to deliver his speech. His means a president's speech, and he can send messages to any houses of the parliament. Any house of the mane dibo pare. And Article 208, if there is a difference of opinion between the 2 houses, then the president can call a joint session. If they have a very difference or issues, then he called a joint session between 2 houses. So in legislature power, the Indian president enjoys a power like no bill can become a law, I have already told, and any bill passes from Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, that any kind of bill of Indian parliamentary system cannot turn to a law without the signature of our Indian president. So the president has a power to issue ordinance. In ordinance power, Article 123 says when the parliamentary is not a session, the president can issue ordinance to bring into force some urgently needed law. If the urgent needed, then he makes some law according to Article 123. And Article 200 says the some bills passed by the state assembly needs approval of a president. Because in here we can say that the governor, the head of the nominal head of a particular state, and he is a agent. As the saying is saying the governors are particular state are the agents of the Indian presidents, and in emergency time the governor ruled over particular states by order of our Indian president. So Article 200 says that some bills passed by any state assemblies, the bill must be signed by our Indian president. So tenokwa kisman ase bill jibilakot Indian presidentor sign nohole nohoy. So and this powers is called a real veto of Indian president system. It is a pocket veto or a real veto of Indian president. So next our financial power and functions. In financial power of functions, the Indian presidents have a very beginnings the every financial year. It is a very important financial power. In beginning of he just beginning the every financial year to Indian parliamentary system. And second one is after 5 years the Indian president forms a finance commission. So finance commission is a head of our finance system. He formed every 5 years a finance commission, and the president appoints the comptroller and auditor general, who is here they are the they govern not govern, they just maintain our finance system. Is a comptroller and auditor general must be appointed by our Indian president. And Indian president submits report president every year, and it's sent the parliament system. MPs discuss the report. Reporters sent only the auditors, and the CAG means the comptroller and auditor general, and they make a session. They give a report to Indian parliament, and this must be signed by Indian president. After it passes in parliament, and then the president is signed that bill. And next is the president can decide grants aid states like Assam, Bihar, Orissa, West Bengals in the productions of against the production of jute. Not only jute, that is a very আমি যেটো কওঁ ধৰা লোকেল যিবিলাক প্ৰডাকশ্যন ন তাৰ কাৰণে কিছুমান স্পেচিয়েল গ্ৰাণ্ট দিব পাৰে। যদি কিছুমান ধৰা অকণমান পিছপৰা ঠাই ন তেন্তে স্পেচিয়েল গ্ৰাণ্ট এটা তেওঁ দিব পাৰে। এইটো এটা প্ৰেচিডেণ্টৰ ফিনান্সিয়েল পাৱাৰৰ ভিতৰত পৰে। নেক্সট ইজ আৱাৰ ডিপ্ল'মেটিক পাৱাৰ। দেৰ আৰ লটছ অফ পাৱাৰ ন। Diplomatic powers and functions. Indian presidents enjoy special diplomatic powers, and he established foreign relation with other countries as a representative of India. That is a very important diplomatic power of Indian president, and he maintained friendly relation to other countries as a represents us. So next power is a military power. In military power, he is a head of our তেওঁতো জানো আমি কনষ্টিটিউশ্যনেল হেড ন, আৰু এজ দিছ ৱে হি ইজ আ হেড অফ আৱাৰ মিলিটাৰী চিষ্টেম। এণ্ড ইন এনজয়িং দিছ পাৱাৰ দ্য ইণ্ডিয়ান প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট ইজ কমাণ্ডাৰ ইন আ চিফ of the Defence Forces India, as a chief of the Army, Navy, Air Force, and Indian President appoints in the 3 branches and the head of particular 3 branches, what's called Navy, Air, and Army. The chief are appointed by the Indian president. Not only appointment matter, in the matter also the removal system of this particular officers. The removal system can enjoy the Indian president. So next our judicial power. His judicial power and functions. Indian president appoints the judges of the Supreme Courts and a High Court. Not in the matter of appointment, he can also remove from his post by the judge of Supreme and High Court, and it is included to his judicial power. And in this power, Article 72 says the president can pardon the sentence the people proven guilty in courts. এইটো মানে কিবা যদি মানে ধৰা কোনোবা যেটো ৰাজহুৱা গোচৰ বুলি কওঁ ন আমি, তেনেকুৱা যদি কোনোবাই এপ্লাই কৰে তেতিয়াহ'লে ইণ্ডিয়ান প্ৰেচিডেণ্টে এইটো বস্তু আকৌ একবাৰ চাব পাৰে, বস্তুটো মানে ৰিফাইল যিটো কওঁ আমি ন, ৰিফাইল কৰিব পাৰে। So next is our emergency power. The Indian president is most important power of Indian president is a emergency power. Hetu bostu monot rakhiba. And he enjoys 3 types of emergency power. That is first one national, second one national emergency, second emergency owing in a failure of constitutional machinery in state, and third one is a financial emergency. So according to article 352 says that Indian president used the national emergency, and here in national emergency time the parliamentary system of government is totally stopped, and in that time the president ruled over India or a particular place what have emergency is emerged. যেতিয়া তোমাৰ ধৰা অল ওভাৰ ইণ্ডিয়া হ'লেও বা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ ক'ৰবাত যদি ইমাৰ্জ হৈছে তেতিয়াহ'লে ইণ্ডিয়ান প্ৰেচিডেণ্টে কি কৰিব পাৰে, ৰুল কৰিব পাৰে থ্ৰু দ্য গভৰ্ণৰবিলাকক লৈ কিনে তেওঁ মানে ডিৰেক্টলি ৰুল কৰিব পাৰে। সেইটো মানে এটা পাৱাৰ। তাৰপিছত হ'লে সেইটো চবতে হয় কিন্তু দেই, নেশ্যনেল, তাৰপিছত কনষ্টিটিউচনেল, মেচিনাৰী, ষ্টেটছ, ফিনান্সিয়েল, তিনিটাতে একে ধৰণৰ হয়। So second emergency owing the failure of if any state or all over India the constitutional machinery is make the constitutional machinery process, and then he declared emergency particular state. In that particular state he declared the emergency rule or emergency power. In financial emergency, in this power, article 360 says that he can declare emergency power if all over India or particular state the financial stability of the entire country or a part of some over India's or all over India threatened, then he declared a financial emergency, and he ruled the particular place or all over India through the governors of that particular states. So jodi mane financial emergency ta bhabe je kisuman bhabe je stability nai, financial stability is ruined, then he declared the financial emergency system. So that is all about the emergency power of Indian president. And emergency powers of Indian president is briefly discussed in your next topic. দিয়া আছে খুব ভালকে বস্তুটো ইফেক্টস বিলাক জাস্ট পাবা আৰু, কিন্তু এই বস্তুটো মই অকণমান স্পেচিয়েলি বেলেগকৈ এই টপিকটো আলোচনা কৰিম। ঠিক আছে, থেংক ইউ।